They've been so good to me today at the tree. Can I take it away at the tree? Listen, Dollar Tree, move your feet to the beat. These next finds are amazing to say the least. Looky cookie. Honey, we back at the tree. Let me get out of these people derm store. Okay, they been good to me now. You better get yourself to Dollar Tree. I'm telling you. Name brand finds like this for $1. Where you gonna get this from? $1.25. Hems. Honey, if you know, you know. Let the hair grow. Now, this is hair color and conditioner. Easy semi-permanent hair color that gradually reduces grays for a natural looky cookie. Ooh, how you like that? This, in my opinion, is the best illumination gel for the brows. And it is this at the tree. When I tell you this is amazing, now your brows, they definitely is not going anywhere once you use this. They are there to stay. Okay? Now, when you wash this off, you're going to have to get movie groovy. You're going to have to put some elbow into it. But this is amazing. $1.25. This is a doopity-doop of Ardell. Honey, I can't begin to tell you how this is a steal deal like Holyfield. This next line that Dollar Tree has, there's been a lot of rave about this, like in a good way. Now, first up, Dollar Tree has this. So there's been people in my comments saying that the strawberry sugar face scrub is absolutely amazing. They said it makes your face feel very smooth. Now, considering that it is a skin smooth and strawberry sugar face scrub, you know, I would expect that from this. Now, Dollar Tree also have this. This is the Bi-Phase Makeup Melt and Lava Oil Cleanser. Now, it has things in here like jojoba oil, volcano, ash, vitamin E, good for you and me. $1.25 at the tree. Now, they also have this item right here. This is the day and night moisturizing mask. It has things in here like shea butter, hyaluronic acid, vegetable collagen, and vitamin E. $1.25 at the tree. I heard what you said. You said you want all the tea at the good old Dollar Tree. Now, name brand finds, oh, movie groovy. Move your feet to the beat out in these streets. Check this out. This next item, honey, I fell in love with it. And you know that's something. Dollar Tree has this name brand find that's absolutely amazing. The fact that Dollar Tree has it for $1.25, you're looking for something that smells good. It lathers really good. Makes your body feel so soft. It is that. So, honey, I had to come all the way up here just to get me a few more bars. I have about 3 left, I believe, at home. But, honey, these are so amazing. Now, the one that I tried so far was the Wave Breaker. When I tell you that this is amazing. Hydrate and moisturizing, vitamin infused, magnesium, biotin. Honey, this is a win-win-win. This is from Jake Paul. Honey, and he also have a shampoo that I use for my oldest son here for his dreads, and then my youngest son here. Honey, it's good, okay? And the fact that these are $1.25, honey, let me just take these away. So I heard you folks was looking for the goodies. Yes. Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. You know, I'm just a fabulous MC. You got to move your feet to the beat out in these streets. Now, Dollar Tree has these amazing finds. Looky, cookie. It is definitely the body scrub. And you know what I love about this, darlings, is exfoliating body scrub. It has the crushed oatmeal. Ooh, yes. This has the amber glow. Honey, get into it. It goes right with the nails. Okay, movie groovy. They also have the sweet lemon one as well. Exfoliating body scrub. Crushed oatmeal. Oh, it is just giving all the tea what it needs to be. They also have the sun-kissed citrus. Oh, yes. Looky cookie. I'm just going to grab me about 2 of these, okay? Yes. You know, the fact that Dollar Tree is playing in my face, I mean, it's good. It's a good play, all right? Listen, Dollar Tree is coming through the way they do. Honey, did you guys happen to see this? Now, I'm just going to grab me about 1 bottle of it. Oh, this smells amazing. This is the Vanilla and Cactus Flower Moisturizing Body. Dollar Tree. Be good to me. $1.25. You see this at your tree? You may want to grab you one of these. This next find, these are right on time, and they are fancy fancy. These are so cute. Check this out. So if you guys are looking for bag charms, Dollar Tree is definitely in the place to be. They have the Heinz, they have Bazooka, the mac and cheese. Oh, what a chicken wing. Honey, they are really showing out at the tree. These are $1.25. They also have ice. Ain't got to think twice. Looky, Cookie. Did you guys happen to see? You know, it is really a shame how they cutting up in the tree. This is the 3-stack container. Now, what I love about this is that you can put knick-knack paddywhacks in here. Okay, you can put your nuts in here. Pause. You can put celery, carrots, any type of snacks you can put in here, and I love that. Now, they do come in different colors. Check this. Honey, we just moving and grooving at the tree. Out in these Dollar Tree streets, honey, moving our feet to the beat. These are so cool, and the fact that these are $1.50, you can unassemble them. Oh, honey, this is really amazing. First off, they have the sour cream and onion sour cream. Oh, honey, it's so good. This is the popcorn. Oh, looky cookie. They also have the Cape Cod, the kettle cooked potato chips, sweet and spicy jalapeno ones, and then they also have the sea salt and vinegar. Honey, they are out here showing out. You want the goodies? Oh yes, I'm gonna have you move your feet to the beat. Now, Dollar Tree has these protein shakes. If you are into the protein, Dollar Tree said, oh, we have it. We are in the place to be. You gotta move your feet to the beat like the fabulous MC here. Me. Now, this is vanilla. They also have these other flavors. Oh my, looky cookie. So they have chocolate. This is the Peak Promise protein shake. They also have strawberry as well. Now, you know, girl, strawberry is my thing. Like a chicken wing. They really showing off. Did you guys happen to see the Crayola cups 2-pack for $1.50? Where is that? At Dollar Tree. Looky cookie. Honey, it's game time. Check this out. Honey, when I say looky cookie, it is the Bubs for me, the Sour Diamond Tutti Frutti. Now, when I tell you gluten-free, vegan, sweet treats, that's going to have you move your feet. Now, these are amazing. They come in several different flavors. They have the raspberry and lemon for me. They also have the strawberry vanilla. Now, I tried the strawberry vanilla. They was so tea. They was so delicious. Now, they also have the sweet ovals, the banana toffee. This looked really interesting when I had came to the tree last time. And, of course, the Tutti Frutti. These are amazing. Five Below, they want $5. Dollar Tree want $3.10 for these. So Dollar Tree, of course, have the Reeds. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this stuff. This is the Berry Bubbly. It has ginger in here. It tastes so amazing. Now, if you are not a ginger fan, honey, this may not be your cup of tea, but I absolutely love this stuff. It's amazing. 5 grams of sugar, 40 calories. Honey, they moving and grooving. Now, Culture Pop Soda. You know, one of them I had brought, well, actually I brought 3 different kinds, I believe. It was only one that was okay. I have not tried the orange mango, but you want to know how much these normally go for? Oh, yes, honey. They want at Whole Foods like $2 and some change for this. I believe $2.25. Now, for Reeds, honey, they talking about for 12 cans of Reeds, $35. I don't know. Dollar Tree said, no way, Jose. Honey, be on the lookout for this. This next find is one of my favorites at the tree. Yes, Dollar Tree, that is. Honey, check this out. It is definitely the Wild Bills. Oh my looky cookie. They have the watermelon ring pop crab soda. They also have the blue raspberry and also the orange cream. What a dream. These are $1.25. Oh my. Now, if you guys are looking for some more name brand finds, they also have the Premier Protein Caramel. These are $1.25. This next find is taking it away like cake. I mean, all name brand finds at the tree. They just movie grooving, you know? And it is definitely the Olapop, the Ridge Rush. Now, this drink, it tastes to me like ginger ale. It is so good. These are $1.25. Now, and if you know, you know you're going to let your hair grow like Joe. You know that Olapop is not $1.25. These are delish. It is all the goodies for me. Name brand finds at Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree has Kinder's, the Burger Blend. Listen, buttery Burger Blend. Now, this is $1.50 at the tree. Now, they also have Larry's. This is the seasoned sort. Oh my looky cookie. Dollar Tree is just movie group. We at our second Dollar Tree for today. Honey, they have back to school items out already. They ain't playing nor delaying. Move your feet to the beat. Okay, so when I tell you that they have their back to school items out already, honey, Dollar Tree said we want the ching ching ching, okay? They want the money like a chicken wing. Now, these items are so cute. Looky cookie, what is this? Oh, this is a tray. No way, Jose. These are really fancy. Like this. Honey, Dollar Tree, they sure don't miss. Honey, it is the plushies for me that wants all the tea. Now, when I tell you that these plushies, they feel amazing. They are nice and soft, especially this one. Oh my looky cookie. This is so amazing. You have little ones, honey. You can get these plushies, and when I tell you they feel so soft, oh, they feel really good. $5 they are. Great price point. Looky cookie. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are the items that I did purchase today at the tree. So I told you guys about the Jake Paul soap winning formula. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. Now, I already had purchased 4 bars the other day, but then today I had went back and got 5 bars. This soap is so movie groovy. Your skin is going to thank you. It has a natural scent. It doesn't have like those strong perfume scents to it. More so natural, paraben free, sulfate free. It is made in the USA. Hey. It has biotin in here. It also has magnesium, vitamin infused soap. I'm telling you guys, if you happen to come across these at the tree, you may want to grab you a bar, 2 or 3. Now, the next item that I did purchase as well is this. Oh, they've been so good to me today at the tree. This is the vanilla and cactus flower body wash. Yum, yum. You better get you some. This, honey. I don't know who's behind this at the tree, but honey, you doing your thing like a chicken wing. Now, I also purchased this Amber Glow. When I tell you these are looky cookie, they smell terrific. This one is the sweet lemon, and I had put some on my hand earlier today to do a demonstration when I was on live on Facebook. Make sure you guys are following me on all socials, Facebook and TikTok, because I do a lot of lives over on Facebook. Now, this, oh my goodness. You know when you go to Starbucks and they have the lemon pound cake with the icing on it or frosting? This is definitely giving it. If you love lemon, honey, this is definitely for you. Looky cookie. This has oatmeal in here, exfoliate and body scrub, crushed oatmeal infused, terrific. And then I also purchased the Sunkist Citrus Exfoliate and Body Scrub Crushed Oatmeal. All of the body scrubs that are like this, the amber body scrubs, they all pretty much have the oatmeal exfoliating in there. And honey, I love that for us. I really do. It just makes me think that it's more healthier for the body. Now, the next item that I did purchase was the bulbs. Now, these normally go for $5 at places like Five Below. Dollar Tree had this. This is a vegan candy, also a gluten-free candy. These are $3 at the tree. I was a little skeptical about trying these. It seemed interesting, but at the time when I first seen this, I was like, oh, banana and toffee, right? But honey, you remember what your mama said, don't judge a book by its cover. Because honey, these deliver, and that's word to the mother and a brother. I sat up here and ate. Maybe I shouldn't show you guys this. I got about 4 left, okay? Now, delicious. If you guys happen to see any of these items, let me know what you think of them, like the smell and stuff like that. And if you have purchased any of these items, let us know in the comment section how you like it. Was it flowy, growy, or was it a pass? Not trash, but a pass. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.